This one started yesterday, and it's on today and tomorrow and Sunday.
Wow.
Yeah. And there's supposed to be furniture at it.
Oh, okay. Maybe we'll be able to pick some up.
Yeah.
That's the one thing that you have done well, flipping is furniture. And
Yeah.
If it's if the price is right anyway, you know that you can just flip dressers for what, about $60 each or something? Or?
Yeah, depending on the style of it. The fancier, the better. The more money they command.
Right, and it has to be wood, not particle board or anything like that.
Oh, no. Is that it? No. No. Oh.
Must be in the back.
Must be. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think he's going to be here long anyway, but
okay.
We'll see. Oh, are you running the sale? Look at him dancing.
Hello. Who's a good boy?
Hi, sweet pea. Hello. Hi.
Your house.
Yeah.
That's
Is there anything you're looking for?
nothing in particular.
Okay.
Just looking. You mentioned something about furniture.
Yeah.
Furniture. Okay, I got that old dresser there.
Okay.
Sewing machine. It comes with the mirror, but the mirror's kind of broke, but the frame is there. Let me think of what else I got.
It's wood.
Yeah, it's like the original.
Yeah.
Bunch of clothes, purses. Jesus, I can't even think. I got so much in the house. Makeup galore. Like I have a thing up here of makeup. Never used. Easter decorations for the kids. Curtains. Paper and shoes.
Do you know what you want for the bikes? Just
$40
out of curiosity? Each or for the pair or?
each. They're not even mine.
Okay.
Like facial stuff, shower gel, body lotion, bubble bath, everything from soup to nuts, powder, blush. What's this? I don't even know. Oh, I have to wash your hands like
Oh, yeah.
for shopping. Oh, Pond's face cream. That's what my mom used all the time. I don't even know what's all in here. I just brought the box out. Oh, expensive stuff from Avon. Stuff. I don't know if you're interested in
How much are things in there?
You want to show it to me and I'll give you cheap.
Cheap. Medium. These are, I like these.
Stop it, you guys!
Is that cabinet for sale? The white one in there?
No, that's
Okay.
tools. And
Okay.
So, what were you thinking on these?
Powders.
Oh! What do you want? What do you think? I'm not going to get on this.
$1 each or?
Yeah.
$2?
Here, you hold for a sec while I get some money out here.
I very seldom wear makeup. I couldn't be bothered. Unless I'm going to see the Queen or something.
Well, yeah, then you should probably, hey? It doesn't happen too often, thank God, hey? Thank you.
Very well. My hot bed dying.
Take care. Thanks.
See ya. Well, you got a little bit of makeup.
Yeah, they're kind of pricey, so.
Yeah, $1 each.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure she was going to go for that at first.
I know. Okay.
All right, on to the next.
Tried to buy that white cabinet, but
Yeah.
that would have been a nice flip. this one is multifamily. It was on yesterday, it's on today, and it's on tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh yeah, right there.
I think I'll just park in front of his driveway.
Okie doke. 23.50. That's it. Look, tall wooden things. Cute. Like, not for me. But
Oh yeah, that little
yeah,
shelf.
but it might be a good one for people to paint. But we'll see. Oh, looks like there's another one up there, dear.
Oh yeah, right on.
Yeah. 2 for 1.
Yeah.
This is the one that was on the list.
Some stairs.
They're 2 for where?
Well, yeah, the too tall for the deck.
You only need like 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have rules in this one.
Do we take this plus something else? It was a crock.
Thank you.
Oh, it's all cracked on the bottom. Did you see the
That's right.
I didn't see a price.
price? No, it's not. But judging by
Yeah,
that.
judging by that one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be expensive.
Yeah.
See the big pirate ship in the corner?
Oh, I like this thing.
Big pirate ship in the corner.
Yeah, I saw it when we were coming up.
Little boy would love that.
Oh yeah. I would have loved that. Yeah, absolutely.
You can go back to being a kid for one day.
I can. You're probably right. Yes. Even opens.
Oh, there's stuff.
Yeah.
Furniture and people.
Yeah, and barrels and pirates and Yarr. Pretty cool.
Yep. Good morning. That's a cool one, eh?
Yeah, it is. Look at that.
Why don't I just tell you? Unless you want it to use. I don't know how much it is.
How do you seal it up though? Or is it sealed when that's down? You just, yeah, I guess you do that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, to pour it. Yeah, I guess. It's interesting.
Neat.
Yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Old chair's nice.
Yeah, it's interesting. It doesn't look very comfortable.
No, not with that on it, eh?
So here's the
Yeah.
pricing guide.
My way to
Okay.
So might have to refer to that.
Red, yellow, green, blue.
Now, what is that?
Frankincense.
Yeah.
Sense.
Yeah, this had a little dish, but
Oh, does that go with that?
Yeah, or you
Oh.
can just get that too. But this lights up, and
We've already got some diffusers.
Yeah.
How much is that one?
this. Well, I got it in Phoenix. It was $20, but I'd sell it for like 5 or 6.
Yeah, I just don't know that we need another diffuser. We've got so many of them.
The scent, though, I like.
I'm always after the scents.
Yeah.
And this is, you can have it dimmer. I always
That's
had-
neat that it's a
had
light
it-
as well. I've never.
Yeah.
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 Is it okay if we just were to buy
Oh, sure.
the oil off of you?
Yeah, for
And what
sure.
were you wanting for that?
Oh, that 25 cents.
sure. We'll finish
keep
looking
looking.
around. Yeah.
This,
Oh,
eh?
for sure.
Look at this old card.
Oh.
That's my neighbor's, and somebody made it for her, and it's a Remoli.
Oh, is that what it is?
Looks like a lot of work.
My mother plays a lot of Remoli. I wonder if she would want something like that.
I have no idea.
Where you know, it's kind of nice where you put your.
Call Lynn on mobile. I'm just gonna give her a quick call. Is that something? It's $10. Okay.
And it folds.
All right. Sounds good. I'll grab that for you then. Okay. You too.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll take it.
Oh, okay.
She'll take the Remoli board. Oh, here's more Pyrex.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're getting it.
Yes, yeah, she's gonna.
It's kind of unique.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
And we're really into that kind of thing. And we don't play Remoli, but my mother does.
Yeah.
Every Sunday she has my aunt and uncle over and my grandmother.
Okay.
So we owe you 10 and a quarter.
Yep.
Well, you guys have a good day.
Yeah, same to you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. Well, look who it is. It's Jerry. The star of the show. Oh yeah, he doesn't want anything.
Hi, honey.
Look at that. He just sloughs me off and goes and gives you a big hug.
So sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's his
Not
green
as sweet
car.
as you think he is, I think.
Well, he's always been kind to me, so I can't say anything bad about him.
Yeah, that Remoli board's cool.
Yeah.
She's gonna like that.
What did she say when you were talking to her? Yeah.
Yeah, she said, "Oh yeah, definitely pick it up, pick it up." I didn't even
Oh.
send her a picture of it or anything.
Here, do you want
I
me to
just kind of
put that-
described it to her. And,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Well, it's much nicer than.
Well, then a plastic sheet.
Well, that's what comes with.
Yeah.
That's what most people use, I think. But yeah, and that will wear out eventually, the plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will be my. And it folds up small.
It
You
does.
just pack it away and.
Yeah. No, I think she's really gonna like that.
Good. Okay. This one, there's. Today is the first day. It just started about half hour ago, and it's on tomorrow. But it's supposed to be tons of furniture.
Okay.
Here.
Well, we shall see. All right, guys. So I had a problem with my GoPro camera, and I didn't realize that. The problem I've been having lately, well, it's been happening for quite a while, is that the GoPro camera gets warm, and then it just stops recording, and it gives me an SD card error. And that happened, and I didn't realize it.
And it doesn't beep or tell you.
No. So I'm pretty sure we missed out on a full-on garage sale that we hit. I don't think the camera recorded any of it. We ended up getting 3 vintage glass pitchers, and he wanted $25 each pitcher.
Yeah, firm. That's what he
Firm,
said.
yeah, 25
As soon as we
firm.
walked, because we were there last year, and he remembered us.
And so we ended up getting them all for $35 for 3 of them.
Yeah.
So we'll show them here to you.
Yeah, we'll
so
just do one at a time.
This is the first one, and it's a nice pink depression glass, and he wanted $25 for that. And we pointed out that it is chipped on the bottom there,
Yeah.
and so we were able to get that for $10. And then the next one,
Can you reach him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
this is uranium glass. Do you want to grab the light?
Sure.
And again, he wanted $25 for this, but there is a crack on the inside of the handle there. And so again, I was able to talk him down to $10 for this one as well. And it doesn't show up very well.
Because it's It will on camera.
Yeah, it will in the photos at the end of the video, but
to our eyes, it looks. We weren't even sure it was.
yeah, I had to take it into the dark,
Yeah.
and sure enough, it is uranium.
Yeah.
So we got that for.
No, you're passing me the wrong thing. I know.
Warm.
Yeah, it's
got that
warm.
for 10. And then the third one we got, and this is a really nice one. Now
Yeah.
he seemed to be under the impression that this vase. Now there's nothing wrong with this one.
Pitcher.
There's no chips. This pitcher was worth $125, and he wanted $25 firm, and I got it for $15.
Yeah. So
So we got the 3 pitchers for $35. He wanted $75. Pointed out a couple flaws we found.
Yeah.
And then he was much more willing to deal.
yeah, there were.
So I'm sorry, you guys, that the camera screwed up on me. Those darn GoPros, I tell ya,
Yeah.
caused me more trouble. Okay,
He had quite a few pictures.
he did. He had
on
about 3
all
or 4
different
more.
colors.
Yeah.
It looked nice. I was tempted to get more, but the other ones were more like 70s colors.
It was, yeah. It was that
like
darker
amber,
green.
yeah, and the darker green.
and the dark green.
So, and there was another pink one, but they did look nice all together.
Yeah.